Medication mistakes carry a heavy cost, but what if every step could make things safer, not just someday, but right now? Manual verification once left room for error. In urgent care, even a small slip could mean real consequences. Instead of waiting for a perfect, all-at-once fix, Agile introduced progress in practical sprints. Sprint 1. Barcode scanning in the ICU, directly tackling the highest risk zone. Sprint 2. Expansion to emergency, turning quick wins into broad impact. Sprint 3. Linking the system with pharmacy inventory, closing gaps and streamlining supplies. Sprint 4. Medication alerts, adding a crucial layer of safety. Every day, stand-ups empowered nurses to flag challenges, resolve issues instantly, and shape solutions that fit real workflows. With each sprint, medication errors dropped. Staff gained time to adjust and built confidence with each new feature. The result? A safer, smarter medication process, delivered in real time, ready for the unpredictable pace of healthcare. Agile makes every improvement count. In healthcare, that means every dose, every shift, every patient is safer. This is the power of iterative change. Will you take the next step?